Hi, my name is Don Milton. I've been a full-time emotional freedom coach since January 2005. You can find out a lot more information about my background, the type of work I do, and real client experiences at my main website, which is don@donmilton.net. Uh, I work on the basis that all negative emotions are caused by your thinking and not events. So it's not talk therapy, it's not hypnotherapy. It works very rapidly. Many of my clients have been in traditional therapy for years. They've been on medications with no results, and after a session or several sessions, they're free. So that's what I do. I love doing it. It's amazing work. I've got a 12-week life transformational program, which I've done with over 100 people. And that is a big commitment on my part and on the client's part because they end up, for 12 weeks, they end up spending about an hour and a half, 2 hours a day doing their work. Then we have one session a week. I'm fully available to them for the whole time, and I hold them accountable without judgment on the work that they're doing. And it's just unbelievable how it can transform a person's life. And the way this group phone program came about really was a result of two of my clients that did my 12-week program several years ago. They were each in the same network marketing group, and they each had issues in their life that had, was keeping them stuck in their personal life and in their business life. And they had done, lots of personal growth work, lots of motivational, seminars, books. I mean, they spent thousands and thousands of dollars on things that really weren't getting them to where they wanted to go. So that 12-week program, the fee for that is $6,000. And everybody that's done it has told me that, the results they got from it is worth many times that. So when these two people saw the experience that they were having in their personal life and their business, they were so excited. They were talking to all their colleagues and other, people in the group wanting them to do work with me. But very few of them wanted to, spend that kind of money or do that much work for a period of 12 weeks. So these two clients asked me, could I create a similar type program that was more affordable that could be done in groups. And so I thought about it a bit and I came up with this program that you're being introduced here. And, the cost of the program is about what it would cost you for a set of tires and less than the cost of a new iPhone. And so it's very affordable, and the results that I've gotten have been consistently good. Basically, instead of 12 weeks, is 6 weeks, and each session is 2 hours long. And you're pretty much, I'm not able to hold people accountable, and certainly people can't have full access to me for that type of program. But I do, all you have to do to get really great results is either be on the program each week or listen to the replay and spend 15 to 20 minutes a day learning basic EFT, which is emotional freedom technique. That's one of one of my workhorse techniques for eliminating all kind of emotional issues, phobias, chronic physical pain, mild addictions, food cravings. I mean, it's an amazing technique. If all you do on the program is get very competent at EFT, you get more than your money's worth. But also what I do along the lines of the recommendation from my clients is in the first session, I talk about other exercises that you can do. I talk about journaling, meditation, certain types of reading, the Byron Katie work, the personal peace procedure, congruence, how to use discernment, boundaries, and communication. So the first session basically is just going over all the different tools, how to use them, and the benefits you can get. So it's sort of an option to how much work people want to do. In other words, if you just want to spend 15 or 20 minutes a day, that's great. If you want to, spend 30 minutes a day and add on another component, that's good. So the more you're willing to invest as far as time, the more benefits you're going to get. So I think the program is really great for what it's designed to do, and I hope you'll, seriously consider doing this if you are serious about personal growth or have, issues in your life that are keeping you stuck, whether it's, relationship, financial, business, health, whatever. It's a great program, and basically what we do, one concern people have is, well, if you've got all these people on the program, how do how do I get benefit? Am I just listening to you work with somebody else? No. Every program, and that's another neat thing about these techniques is that everybody on the call can be working on their own issue at the same time. So calls session one basically just talks about all the different techniques and how to use them and the benefit. And we usually have time to do some actual demonstrations of EFT on that call. But then calls 2 through 6 are all experiential. I mean, we're not sitting around talking about concepts and theories. You're picking an issue in your life, you're tuning into the feelings, and then, we're working on it. So I've had people that have released lifelong phobias in 30 minutes on a call, people that have, gotten rid of migraine headaches over the series of it, people that have had anxiety all their life, that by the end of the program, they had no more anxiety. They could be free. They could, sleep better. So it's an amazing program, and I certainly hope that you take a look into it and, make a commitment if it appeals to you. You have nothing to lose except a lot of the problems in your life.